Hi, so you want to make a video and you've thought about maybe getting a reasonable camera. You've thought about how you're going to make sure there's a light on you and not light behind you so you look really good, and you've thought about lots of things. You maybe even taken great care in what you're going to say and how you're going to say it. But how do you look? How do you look? What are you wearing? Are you wearing bright colors that are going to be too interesting for us to take any notice of what you're saying, because we're looking at your bright red shirt and your amazing blue bow tie or whatever it is? Try to wear something that is quite neutral and quite smart. It doesn't matter what the subject matter is. If you want to become a video star, wear something that suits your personality and suits the messages that you want to put over in your video. And here's a tip: try to always wear more or less the same thing. Now, I wear quite a nice blazer, but it doesn't look like a blazer, and I wear a white shirt. And on almost all my videos, and when I'm doing presentations and giving talks, I tend to turn up in grey trousers, dark blue jacket, and a white shirt, because that's my image. It suits my personality and what I have to say to people. And the important thing is they remember me. Okay, you can remember Valentine Palmer, it's an unusual name, but you've also, when somebody says, do you know Valentine Palmer, you want to see me. You want to see this guy, tall guy with dark jacket, grey trousers and white shirt. So remember, that's really, really important. Now, just a word about what to do when you're on camera. Don't move. People, when they're nervous, sway. They don't know they're doing it, and it's terrible to look at a video which looks like we're on a ship in a high sea because the speaker is swaying backwards and forwards. You need your shoes nailed to the floor. Don't move. Have your feet about a foot apart and feel the power in the floor coming up through the earth, really, really putting you like you're in concrete there, so you're not going to move, because that's very off-putting. And be very careful about gestures, because if you only see someone to just above the waist and they start gesturing, and when we're nervous we do a lot of this, and you've got these bunches of bananas coming up into the frame, and it's just so off-putting. Most people use too many gestures. They just do it. They don't know they're doing it. Keep the hands out of the way. If you're going to make a gesture in a video, make a gesture because it's really important and it really means something, and just do it carefully, slowly, once, and take it away. So there's a few hints about how to improve your video performance. But come January 2013, I'll be launching my new series on the internet, and it'll be available to you and everyone else. It's called How to Become a Video Star in Just 10 Easy Steps. And believe me, you'll enjoy it, and then you too can be a video star.